So I created Moji Yogi for when you feel stressed to feel a little bit better with one yoga pose for each emotion you feel. Today, I'm wearing the color light blue to focus on the throat chakra, speaking kind words to yourself. So the pose I chose for this on the Moji Yogi wheel is the child's pose. So go ahead and sit. You're going to go ahead and come to the tabletop on your hands and knees. You're going to open up your knees and sink the hips back over your heels and do the extended child's pose by reaching your hands forward and lowering your head toward the mat. And then turn your palms upward, ready to receive information from your highest and best self and source energy. And lower down. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. And then go ahead and come back up into your hero's pose. And remember that you are the director of your own mind story. And so whenever you start to feel worried or anxious, remember your endocrine glands are always listening to what you have to tell it. And what you speak out loud has more power than what you think. So when you activate words, like speaking kind words to yourself out loud, then your body's like, oh, I can access dopamine, the feel-good energy from your third eye. But if I talk about what does not serve me, that is like saying, I don't think I can do this, I don't feel worthy, I'm not strong enough, then the brain says, oh, you need more cortisol, your stress hormone. So practice focusing on what you want versus what you don't want, and speak kind words, which is truth, which help clear communication for your throat chakra. So try that out and subscribe to learn more about the Moji Yogi wheel and how you can elevate your mood one pose at a time. Namaste.